Alright guys, so I'm breaking all the funnel rules in this video. So Russell Brunson, you'll have to forgive me. Please do not shut down my ClickFunnels account. So the way this funnel is going to work, I'm not going to collect any emails. Okay, I'm just running ads to it so people can make a quick decision. So here's the deal. Now, we're looking for 20 people that want to earn $500 to $1,000 a month in 2020. And I'm looking for at least one person that wants to make $5,000, $10,000, or $20,000 a month. But let me tell you a little bit about my background. When we got involved in this industry for the second time, I did not want to do it. I had been in the industry before, I made money, and I didn't want to come back. And I felt like the Lord was pulling me back. And when I prayed, He said, brought the verse to mind, call to me and I will answer you and show you great and unsearchable things that you do not know. And I am very excited about what's going to be happening with this company. So if you're looking for an opportunity in 2020, this is how this funnel is going to work. There are going to be two options that show up right down below this video. One option is to schedule a call with me and we can talk about it. I can answer all your questions, all that kind of stuff. I'll be taking calls all the way up until the 5th of this month or until I get 20 people. It's that simple. So you can schedule a call and I'll answer all of your questions. The other link is for decisive people that are ready to take action now. They know they need to change something in 2020 and they're tired of sitting on the sidelines. They're tired of not getting results and they're ready to go. You understand the power of a binary. You understand that everybody goes in under everybody else. For those people, you click on the other link and it's going to take you directly to our company's sign-on page where you can sign up and get started, which is another thing that you're not supposed to do. So again, Russell Brunson, please forgive me. We live in the greatest country in the world. We can build wealth, but you have to take action. And so many people live in fear. If you don't make changes and you simply do the same thing that you've always done, you're going to get the same result that you've always gotten. I look forward to talking to you. Have a great 2020.